Friends, this is another interesting program. In this program, the user is requested to enter a letter in the English alphabet, and the program is going to judge and decide whether the entered letter is a vowel, and if it is a vowel, then is it an uppercase vowel or a lowercase vowel? And if it isn't so, then it will simply say it is not a vowel. So if it is not a vowel, it's going to be a consonant, right? So that is the core of this program. So let us go and write this out. So foremost, we start off with include input output stream, and then using namespace std, and we start with the parent function int main, and then we have to declare a few variables. So foremost, I will declare the char variable. So this is going to be the input from the user, and then we would have to have two other variables. Now this would make the exact decision. This would help us to place the conditional if statement and judge if the entered character is a vowel or not. So that's going to be lowercase vowel. It's some variable. Okay, uppercase vowel. So I have given two variables, lowercase vowel and uppercase vowel, and then I will have to assign in the values for these variables. So the lowercase vowel will have all the lowercase letters, right? So when I say all, it means the lowercase vowels. So ch, we have to give this assignment operator. So you can either give a space or you don't have to give a space. So ch is equal to a, or this is the operator, ch is equal to e, or I can simply copy this up onto here and then place it, and this should be I, and then paste it O, and then paste it U, and then you close it off. So this is the assignment you're performing here. So if one of these things is true, then you can directly conclude that it is a lowercase vowel. So now the operator, or I should say now the assignment for the uppercase. So let me just copy this part and make the uppercase variable assignment. So vowel is equal to, so now I need to convert everything into uppercase. A, uppercase E, uppercase I, uppercase O, and uppercase U. So now the conditional check. So if this is true, if either this or the uppercase variable holds good, then you make the print C out or simply you can say it's a vowel. If you want, you can further check. You can further make the check if it is an uppercase or a lowercase. But for now, we will just complete this program in making a judgment if it is a vowel or not. So this should be uppercase, right? Case, that's the variable we have declared. So this will take over. If not, what I would do is I will just copy this part of it, and then I will say else. If there is a conditional failure, then I will say cout, the given letter is not a vowel, or you can say is a consonant, right? And then you can close the block, and then you can return 0, and then close the parent function. So one more thing, we will have to receive the input. Let me give the input here. Cout, please enter the letter, and then we take in the input ch. I will place the input over here. So we save it, the input would be received, and we would make the check over here. So let's see it. So there goes the input. Please enter the letter. I'm entering A. The given letter is vowel, so maybe I will give indefinite article there. Is a vowel, is a consonant. Okay, so let's run it one more time. Let me give P. The given letter is a consonant, so that's absolutely correct. Probably I can run one more time, and I can give one more letter. Say, let me give a vowel and check it out. Say U. So the given letter is a vowel. So this is a program that checks the character for a vowel, right? In the previous program we checked if the given character is it an uppercase letter or a lowercase letter or a digit or a special character. Now here we are adopting a different way to check, so that is of much importance here, right? So we are having a different approach, and with this we are actually increasing our level of programming skills. So having said that, thank you students, we'll move on.